आज म्हाका दिसता it was not an experiment but definitely something that we need to look into. I personally do not believe in this friendly fight. I play an election to win, not only to play but to win an election. And म्हाका दिसता आज in 27 as a लक्ष जोरतोयल्यार I don't think the friendly fight concept is correct. 17 ano your concept allo, it was a failure, and in the future in 27 there has to be clear cut. You cannot basically tell the voters or confuse them. It has to be one sided. आमका खात्री हा ज्या पद्धतीन आज we are definitely going to look into the results. We were looking into several results in north as well. We would have won about 5-6 seats very easily, and in the south we could have formed our panel. We could have formed a council. It was heading towards that. But hui na hui maga dista because there was certain division. We lost about 4 seats with a very small margin. Definitely it is a learning thing that we need to look at because Gomantak is looking at us. Gomantak wants that every one of us are together. We will make all the efforts. As now I can say we are 5 people here of the alliance committee or the committee that was formed. And we felt that we all have to go together. What went wrong, why it went wrong, what was the other internal elements that was not agreeing, what was the external element. All these things are something that the party will introspect and make sure that the target and the focus should be to make sure that BJP goes home. And we are confident, Vidhan Sabhin Pasun, we fight together as MLAs. This is in the interest of the state. Same way we have to fight together to make sure this BJP is sent.
Yuri Riuna तुगेले friendly fight जाऊन तुगे seat गेले अशें तुमकां दिसना?
Now see, I would personally, I feel that fight was very good. I have experience of Sangye politics. I have been part. I lost with a small margin of 200. I feel the Goa forward performed well. They performed well, and there is an anger against the aggressive MLA elected from that constituency. A direct message to him: stop your aggressiveness, get back to the people. And issues je aaj Goembar je pod chalna. This is an effect of all these issues, of all the corruption, of all the policy je pod promise kelle. 3 cylinder promise kelle, 10,000 job promise kelle, अच्छे दिन आएंगे मु promise kelle. So people are fed up and they are waiting personally to throw this government home.
ना युरी बाबा आता पळयता आमी जे तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट दवरिल्ले ह्या फ्रेंडली फायटा लागून तेच मिडिया मुखार येवन सांगता की आपण हायकमांडाक कंप्लेंट करता. हाजेर तुम्ही कशें पळयता लोक?
See, everyone has a right. We are a democratic party. BJP तो right ना. काँग्रेस पक्ष या पक्षाक आख्खे बारीक वर्कर जावं बूथ वर्कर जावं प्रेसिडेंट जावं कमिटीचे आहाय तितले all of us, and we are all senior people here. Definitely आम्ही लक्ष घेतले, and whatever is in the interest of the party and whatever is in the interest of Goa will be rectified and done.
मनोज परबान तुगेले एपोलॉजी मागले मनेकवाड ठाकुराची. आज जर ते परते आयले युती करपाक जाल्यार काँग्रेस will be there with them.
See, my personal view is that all of us, including the people who want to leave the BJP for their policy failures, for their arrogance, for their corruption, all have to get together in the interest of the state. It is not one individual. Yuri Alemao cannot win the state of Goa. One individual cannot win the state of Goa. We have to all get together, and it is my duty. And as leader of opposition, I will make sure that we try and get everyone together. The Congress party has to be like an envelope, and we will definitely decide. We are the principal opposition party. Whatever differences were there, we should not. I don't think anyone has an ego. It was very clearly stated within the committee also. Everyone wanted to make sure that the alliance went through. To an extent it went. And Mukar Japod Kit Korbaha, that we will decide within the party. And it has to happen soon. We cannot wait at the last minute. It has to happen very soon, and together we will take this decision in the interest of the state.
Will that principal opposition party will initiate the unity talks?
100%. We had initiated it. And in front also we will initiate. What is there to initiate? If we are not, then what is the value of us? गोंयच जरी तर आम सांबाळपा ना जाल्यार मागीर कितें आमदार आहाय, कितें विरोधी पक्ष नेते आहाय. There is a need of the hour. Everyone in the state will agree that the 60% I feel is against the BJP, and in 27 they will be basically below 10. They will be in single digit. Mark my words. The BJP will be a single digit. NSU पण आम जिंकले 15 वर्सां जिंकले. लोक विटला भुरगे विटले हे सगळो राग पण हा 27 ह्या भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीक लोक दाखोवन दितले.
नेक्स्ट इज म्युन्सिपालिटी